Imagine that I drink or I taste between 8,000 and 10,000 wine a year. If I drink everything, I won't be there to talk to you. So we split to make sure that we can taste a lot of wine without being drunk. Yeah, with any dishes. Do you know that in history, the first wine were white and rosé. The red wine, as we know them today, is mainly the 18th century. For a while, the rosé were not, they didn't have a very good reputation because we used to make rosé with whatever was bad for red. Today, we make fantastic rosé. I'm used myself to serve rosé with in the black glasses, and sometimes you hear the people say, "Oh, this is a great white from Burgundy," and things like that. So, you know, rosé goes with everything. Fish, meat. The local food go with the local drinks. Not only wine, but can be something else. So Alsatian wine with Alsatian cuisine, Provence wine with Provence cuisine goes very well. There's a lot of region, a lot of appellation, which are very reasonable on price. In southwest of France, for example, Cahors, Madiran, we do have a very good prices with a lot of great surprise. Four things make a very good wine: the land, the grapes, the climate, and the human who makes the wine. In France, we've often got the four.